What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So recently we have talked about the LG's upcoming flagship called the LG Wing, and we have seen a whole video of that smartphone in action, and today we have some further videos which gives us more details regarding that smartphone. I know the smartphone looks weird, but as I told you before, LG is trying to introduce something unique to the market, and honestly speaking, it's a good thing. Like at least a company trying to introduce something new than the typical looking smartphones except foldables. Anyway, here is another video of the LG Wing in which you can see the use of the second display, like the guy is playing a game and side by side it's showing the navigation app, which looks cool. LG is trying to show that design of this smartphone is really useful in some cases. Also, we have this video of the smartphone which really shows us how this whole rotating mechanism will work. It's basically a T-shaped phone. You can rotate it and then you will be able to see the second small display. Also, the phone seems really thick, as you can see how thick the LG Wing is. It definitely harkens to a previous smartphone generation. That said, the thickness is mostly confined to the bottom layer rather than the thin top half. But it doesn't matter considering the fact that it's really a fresh concept, so definitely it will not be perfect. Having said that, the bad news is that this phone will cost around 1000 bucks, which is no doubt a huge price point, and for this price point it should use the latest Snapdragon processor. But I guess LG is not thinking like that, because according to some news, LG Wing will use the old Snapdragon 765 chipset. So I guess no one gonna pay like 1000 bucks for only design. Smartphone should be fast enough to compete other flagship, because you're paying 1000 bucks. You can simply purchase a flagship smartphone for this price point. So I guess LG should think about the price and make it as low as they can. But let's see what LG gonna do. So what do you think about the design? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.